8 Best Kitchen Paint Colors. Kitchens with an earthy, retro 70s vibe are increasing in popularity, says interior architect John Moschel. Recently we paired walnut cabinetry with beautiful terracotta walls in a paint called Cavern clay by Sherwin-Williams. The warm reddish color works well natural wood tones, avocado green, purplish grays, creamy white, and golden yellow. When it comes to painting kitchens, beige tones are too often overlooked, and it is a shame, says interior designer Taupe. Beige walls create a feeling of warmth, which fits right in with the process of cooking. A pretty beige color to consider is Cinnamon Sugar by Magnolia Homes. It has a subtle brown base that feels cozy and not muddy. An idyllic shade of white paint is absolutely dreamy in kitchens, says Terracotta, an interior designer out of Texas. The Spruce Best Home First Frost scores big points for being both bright and warm. Because the color has a warm undertone, it is the perfect foundation for a modern kitchen with metallic accents in rose, copper, or gold tones. It also flawlessly pairs with natural wood shelving. No color is off limits for a kitchen, but these days I prefer kitchen walls in serene tones of a pale ocean blue, says Heidi Techner, the program director of interior design at Harcum College. Let It Rain by Sherwin-Williams combines elements of an invigorating blue with a calming gray undertone to create a relaxing and restorative energy. She suggests working this color like a neutral. White cabinetry and pine flooring make for beautiful accents when paired with this shade in the kitchen. White is sometimes a little too lackluster for a kitchen space. Interior designer Alec Holland says, "One of my favorites is Upper West Side from Benjamin Moore. It is warm enough to create a little depth and drama without feeling dark or moody. It also looks thoroughly chic with white kitchen cabinetry. When you want a hint of color, but aren't looking to stray far from quiet hues, this taupe is a great option." Red is a stimulating color, making it ideal for a kitchen accent wall because it can stimulate the appetite and even create an energizing environment for lively conversation, says Heidi Techner. A yummy color worth trying is Red Delicious by Glidden. Pair with cerulean blue cabinetry for a truly luxurious look. Gray Owl by Benjamin Moore works in most kitchens because it goes with a broad range of colorful cabinetry, says Patrick Planeta, owner of Planeta Design Group. It makes white cabinets stand out, and the paint shade is also light enough that when paired with darker cabinetry it will not make the rest of the kitchen feel oppressive or heavy. He also appreciates the color's ability to balance tonal differences, which makes it perfect for kitchens with two-tone cabinets. Kylie, interior designer and decor blogger behind Kylie M Interiors, says White Duck by Sherwin-Williams is a pitch-perfect blend of cream and greige, meaning that it never feels too beige or gray as the light changes throughout the day. It allows white subway tile to sing and provides a clean backdrop for rustic wood accents. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.